Hello, it's Lodewijk, and today I want to speak to you from the Old Testament. I want to deal with a few pictures that God gave us of Jesus in the Old Testament. And I'm going to speak to you mainly from one messianic psalm, Psalm 22. And the wonder of this psalm is that King David wrote this psalm. And it's amazing to see the prophetic images that David gave us in depicting the life, specifically the crucifixion of Jesus. And the value of this is the following, that if the Bible was a man-made book, a book written by man, it would be impossible for man to 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 years prior to Jesus living, describe certain events that would take place. Moreover, the Word of God is such that Moses, that didn't know David, that didn't know Ezekiel, they all prophesied portions and sections of the life of Jesus Christ. And as you go through the crucifixion, you'll see that people that were involved in the crucifixion, Roman soldiers, they didn't know the Torah, they didn't know the Talmud, they didn't know the prophecies, they didn't know the laws and the prophets, and still they acted in accordance with what was prophesied. It should give us great comfort, knowing that God, years prior to Jesus' crucifixion, described the series of events. Why is this important? If we understand that this is what God did, we can be certain about many other things that God said about Jesus. To think that the Roman soldier will play into the hand of God and act in accordance with what was said about Jesus' crucifixion, when God then says, trust on my Son, trust in the work that He came to do, trust in what He gave us, we can have certainty because God spoke about an event that was impossible for David to know. And if that turned out to be true, how much more the other things that God said about Jesus. If you take Psalm 22 and you will read that David said, they pierced my hands. At the time of the prophecy, crucifixion as a method of dealing with murderers and it wasn't even thought of. But God said, this is how my Son would die. He would die on the cross. When God speaks about Jesus in other ways, saying that I can rely on Him, because God said certain things and it worked out exactly to the T, you can rely on everything that God had to say about Jesus. There's so much more, and we will deal with that piece by piece by piece.